Okay, here we are, rolling dips again, right? So a very common question that comes up in this exercise is, when is it okay to just sidecast material off the edge of the road rather than try to bring it back into the road and use it? Because a lot of times the material, especially the stuff that's on the outboard edge of the road, really isn't suitable material for, you know, the road tread. But, you know, if you need to protect water quality or whatever your other reason is, you know, sometimes pushing it off the edge of the road and just down the hillside is not a good idea. So in this case, on this dip right here, we did a little side casting. So let me show you why we think it's okay here, right? So what you can see is, here we are at the very outlet of the dip. We're not done yet, but you can see the material that we've pushed over the edge right here, right? But look below us here. We've got a massive duff-covered forest, a skid road down right here, you know? And so I don't think that, essentially we have a good sediment filter below us. And on top of that, this isn't like just one dip in the middle of the road draining, you know, along like the road. We have another rolling dip just a few hundred feet up the road here that is catching water too. So we're not going to discharge very much water. So without very much water discharging over here, we can't carry the sediment very far, right? Especially in these conditions like this of the ground, where it's like a big giant filter, right? So that's what we're thinking. Now, if we were right next to a stream, there's a stream right down there, no, we wouldn't do this. Why? Because we'd be threatening water quality, and you have to protect water quality. That's why you're putting rolling dips on your road anyway, right? Okay, there you go.